This is not the result of generating from Sora AI, but this AI tool is suitable for beginners because it is not difficult to use. AI is getting more sophisticated day by day, and it cannot be denied that many AI tools have sprung up as competitors. Today I will introduce Sora AI's competing AI tool, and of course it's free. For now. Okay, let's fight together. Are you interested in learning something new? Or are you not interested at all in the development of technology because it does not make you rich? In the current AI era, there are many possibilities, and you can utilize them to earn money easily. Not long ago, Sora AI took the world by storm with the latest innovations, and now another competitor has emerged. Sora AI is Haiper AI. Basically the same, this AI tool converts text to video or image to video, but this time, Haiper AI appears to offer a free version for now. Remember, for now. First, you must log in using an email or Discord account. After you successfully log in, you will find several features provided by Haiper AI. Click here to see some templates that can be used, and this feature is almost the same as other AI tools, only Haiper AI is very easy to use because it does not need complicated text prompt parameter settings. I will try to create with the text prompt feature to the HD version of the video. Input your text prompt here, then you can choose the style at the top according to the character of your image, such as subject words, object words, and styles. Haiper AI only provides 2 seconds for text to video or image to video duration. This is different from Sora AI, which provides a long video duration. Now I will try to make an image to video. Click here to start. Upload the image that you want to make into a video. Then enter the text prompt that matches your image and click Create. If the result does not match you, just click Regenerate to get another result. Now, what do you think about Haiper AI? Does it deserve to be called a competitor to Sora AI or not? Remember, if you want satisfactory results for a digital work, you must be willing to pay for the AI tool you use. There is no free version with satisfactory results, but it all depends on your choice, and in the end, everything will be paid. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Help me if this channel helps you add ideas and insights. Don't forget to click the like button, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.